High-quality beer holster for all standard size 12 ounces beer, soda bottles and cans. Handmade from thick 3.3 mm, 1/8 in. Coated leather. Water-repellent surface, nylon threads and solid metal studs. Many years of use. Patented design. Perfect for BBQs, hiking, tailgating, DIY jobs, gardening. Both hands are free and your cold beverage is always within reach. The beer holster classic fits on any belt up to 1.5 wide, not included in the delivery. The perfect beer gift for men of all ages, because real cowboys need a holster. Top reviews from the United States. Great gift. I bought this as a gag gift for Yankee swap. It was a hot item for the guys. One of the guys uses it at every party and it's still in great shape. He said he loves using it while he grills out. The material was great for the price. I may buy another one this year at Christmas for another gag gift.